And Dream Weekend, one of Jamaica's biggest entertainment festivals, is set to be held in Montego Bay later this month. Organisers officially launched the event in Montego Bay last night, where tourism officials, local leaders and the police outlined plans aimed at ensuring another successful and safe staging.
There is only one Montego Bay, one Mobile. And Montego Bay is a lifestyle, not just a city.
The countdown is officially on for Dream Weekend 2026. Organisers on Wednesday night launched the highly anticipated 5-day festival, promising an exciting lineup of events while emphasizing safety and security. This year's staging also marks a new beginning, with Montego Bay now Dream Weekend's new home. Mayor Richard Vernon is expecting a well-needed economic boost through increased business for hotels, restaurants, transport operators, and other small enterprises.
Today marks the official launch of Dream Weekend in our beloved home, and we stand ready to embrace this extraordinary celebration of culture, entertainment, and economic vitality. Dream Weekend will be a catalyst for growth and renewal, and I am inviting St. James to leverage this opportunity. The St. James Municipal Corporation has worked diligently with key stakeholders to ensure that every aspect of this event is carefully approved.
Minister of State in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce echoed the mayor's sentiment, stressing that Jamaica remains open for business despite the ongoing recovery efforts in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa.
This event brings thousands of visitors every year to Jamaica, but beyond that, it brings thousands of Jamaicans into Negril then every year. And that is money rolling around hotels, Airbnbs, vendors, ground transportation operators, the whole works, retail, and just the entire ecosystem of business that they brought to Negril in those years is something that we need to really applaud.
In the meantime, the Jamaica Constabulary Force says comprehensive security measures are in place for Dream Weekend. Patrons are being urged to follow safety guidelines throughout the festival.
Throughout the Dream Weekend period, we will be working with the organizers to ensure that the movement of visitors and patrons will be smooth and safe throughout the period. Our aim is to ensure that persons come, the thousands of persons will be coming in St. James. The minute they land in St. James, they will feel, just like everybody else in St. James now, that feeling of safety and security.
Organizers say months of planning have gone into this year's staging and are confident the festival will attract thousands of local and overseas visitors. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.
Coming up in this newscast, the business day and international news. Please stay with us.